curling up like a soft cocoon. A lazy breeze tiptoes through the room. Oh, what a perfect pause. Whispered moments, sweet and slow. Where does the time decide to go? Sip by sip, the world feels new in this lazy afternoon. Oh, the clock ticks on, but I don't care. The chair creaks softly beneath my stare. A book unopened, yet I'm aware each second's its own delight. The hum of life, so soft, so kind. A melody I'm glad to find. Whispered moments, sweet and slow. Where does the time decide to go? Sip by sip, the world feels new in this lazy afternoon. Oh, the sunlight dances across the floor, tracing shapes I've seen before. No need for hurry, no need for more. This is enough, just this. The kettle hums a lazy tune, a porcelain mug, a silver spoon. Steam curls up, a quiet show. The world moves fast, but I move slow. Morning just right, soft and kind. A quiet rhythm, peace of mind. No rush, no race, no grand delight. Just this moment, morning just right. Curtains swaying, sunlight spills, dances softly on the windowsills. The creak of the chair, the floor's reply. A symphony simple, it doesn't try. Every sip, every sigh, life whispers low. It doesn't lie. Morning just right, soft and kind. A quiet rhythm, peace of mind. No rush, no race, no grand delight. Just this moment, morning just right. Yesterday's dreams are folded away. Tomorrow can wait for another day. The clock may tick, but I don't hear. This quiet moment is all that's near. kettle hums a morning tune. Steam rises lazy in the room. A chair that creaks, a book well worn. Another soft, unhurried morn. Coffee and quiet, nothing to do. The world can wait, just me and you. Simple and sweet, a moment to keep. Life whispers softly, no need to leave. A sparrow hops on the windowsill. The breeze rolls in so calm, so still. The papers folded, untouched, unread. I'd rather hear your laugh instead. Coffee and quiet, nothing to do. The world can wait, just me and you. Simple and sweet, a moment to keep. Life whispers softly, no need to leave. No rush, no race, no frantic pace. Just the warmth of this embrace. Time slows down, we're in no bind. In these small hours, peace we find. Coffee and quiet, nothing to do. The world can wait, just me and you. Simple and sweet, a moment to keep. Life whispers softly, no need to leave. No need to leave. No need to leave. The moon leans low, her secrets told. A silver hush, a story old. She whispers soft through quiet air, a lover's sigh, a tender prayer. Oh, moonlight whispers soft and true. Care